warning for Hunt County in north-central Texas, eastern Kauffman County in north-central Texas, ZANDTH County in north-central Texas, Rains County in north-central Texas, until 4 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:16 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Farmersville to CANT, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Celeste around 3:25 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Wolf City around 3:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Canton around 3:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Edgewood and Fruitville around 3:45 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Sailing around 3:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Nalenville, Lone Oak, Point, and Josephine. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 20 between mile markers 502 and 542. Interstate 30 between mile markers 80 and 109. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Everything. Been a year before.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System at 3:19. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt County, eastern Kauffman County, Van Zandt County, and Rains County until 4 a.m. At 3:16, severe thunderstorms are located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Farmersville near Lake Lavon down northeast 60 miles east at 60 of 65 miles expected, along with small hail. The storm will be near Celeste by 3:25, Wolf City 3:35, Canton, Edgewood, Grand Saline between 3:40 and 3:50 this morning. The storm is still active in Kauffman, and a wind gust of 60 miles per hour has just been recorded near Rockwall. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for Hunt, Kauffman, Van Zandt, and Rains counties until 4 a.m. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.